It finally came! Guys, today in the mail, I actually finally got something I ordered a little while ago. I'm really, really excited to get this. It's from Speedcube Shop, as you can see here. I heard they have nice business cards they send in their packages. I wonder if I'll get one of those. So yep, here's the invoice. Yep, don't need that. And here's what I was looking for. Oh, and the business card is in there. We got fitted 56mm 3x3 stickers. And I bet you guys know what this is for. It's for those Force Cubes I built so long ago. So, let's look at this. Really, really nice business card. Cameron Brown. Original puzzle retailer. Can you see that? Kind of blurry. There. Cool business card. So then we got these stickers. Whoops. And some Speedcube Shop logos. This bag is well fitted. Ah, there we go. Trick is just to take out a few at a time. So we have a whole lot of these little Speedcube Shop logos in here. Those are kind of cool. Let's look at the shades. We have orange. Nice orange. Red. Ooh, that matches pretty nice. It's pretty darn close. It looks darker on the camera than off the camera. Green. Yellow. And blue. And then, you know, white. White's always the same. So anyway, guys, I'm really excited to get these stickers, and I don't know if I'll make a video of stickering these up. I may not. I'm just really excited to have all these stickers, and yeah. Thanks a lot to Speedcube Shop for sending me these puzzle stickers and for the business card. And thank you for getting me them finally, because I guess it's partly my fault. I didn't order them right away. Probably should have ordered them sooner. But yeah, anyway, YouTube, please leave me a like, subscribe, and comment what I should do in my next video. I'm running out of things to do, so I need ideas for my new videos. So, thanks for watching, and have a great day.